If you've ever dreamed of entering the food industry but don't know where to start, this video is for you. Today, we'll share 5 practical and profitable food business ideas you can launch without having a full restaurant. Whether you're a foodie, a professional chef, or just an entrepreneur with a refined style, let's get started. Number 1. Gourmet Catering. People are busy and willing to pay for healthy, delicious, and prepared meals. Gourmet catering services cater to working professionals, fitness enthusiasts, or families who don't have time to cook but care about their nutrition. You can specialize in keto, vegan, gluten-free, or even high-protein meals. Start with a small weekly subscription model and grow from there. Promote locally through Instagram and food delivery apps. Delicious food with maximum convenience means loyal customers and steady income. Number 2. Mobile food truck. Forget the costs of traditional restaurants and dare to enjoy takeout. Food trucks allow you to serve your unique menu at events, offices, or popular gathering places. Startup costs are much lower, and you'll receive direct feedback from your customers daily. From gourmet grilled cheese sandwiches to tacos with a twist, if you have a unique concept, you'll quickly build a fan base. Use Instagram and GPS tracking to let your fans know where you are each day. It's a dynamic, fun, and very profitable process. Number 3. Artisan baked goods brand. If you can bake well, you have a business. Think cookies, cupcakes, sourdough bread, or vegan desserts. Start from home with local food laws. Check your state's laws. Then build your brand through farmers markets, local coffee shops, or direct-to-consumer online sales. Americans love handmade, artisanal products, especially when they're Instagram-worthy. Add attractive packaging and a sleek website, and you'll not only sell your products, but also build a distinctive brand for your bakery. Number 4. Specialty sauce or seasoning line. Are packaged flavors one of the most scalable food businesses? Launch your own line of hot sauces, barbecue marinades, or traditional seasoning blends. If you have a family recipe or a bold flavor that people love, package it. Start by selling at local markets or food festivals. Then, create an online store or join Amazon. The profit margin is excellent, the shelf life is long, and once people love your product, they'll come back. Don't forget to invest in a distinctive brand. It makes all the difference. And number 5. Healthy snack subscription box. The snack market is a multi-billion-dollar industry, especially when marketed as healthy and clean. Create a subscription box filled with hand-selected or homemade snacks, protein bars, trail mixes, dried fruit, or even delicious vegan candy. Adapt it to your diet, low-carb, sugar-free, vegan, or high-protein. Offer monthly deliveries and add surprises for extra excitement. With great packaging, a unique unboxing experience, and a strong Instagram presence, you can become a brand, not just a box of snacks.